All right, it's time to get this heavy thing out that door. And I don't have help, so let's see, about 100 pounds and bulky. Got to go through the door sideways. The wheel is not going to help. It's probably why they want you to build that while it's on the car. So first, I'm going to pull this pin, fold this down. You can put the pin back through to hold it locked. Now this is going to enable me to stand it up and hopefully carry it out the door. I wish they would have put a hole this way so I can wheel it sideways. I'm going to try to use the wheel, just hopefully it doesn't fall off, and wheel it sideways out the door by myself. That thing weighs about 100 pounds. That is one of the drawbacks of this lift. It's a very nice sturdy lift. It's very heavy. I'm going to lift it up on that wheel and hopefully roll it right out the door. Got to tilt the wheel. Hey, it's working. Take your wheel off. Highly suggest getting help for this as well. Again, very heavy. Let's see if I can get it done. Just going to rest it in the bottom of the hitch and then lift and slide it in. This is what I was talking about. Loosen this up and it slides back and forth. This is to help you, since this is so heavy, you can adjust this so that you don't have trouble finding that hitch pin hole. So once you get, if you set this before you have the lift put together, it's a lot easier. So now I have all this weight that I have to adjust to get that hole lined up. Just going to shimmy it. That was not bad. Get your hitch pin. Get your keys and your fancy keychain. Take the end off. Leave the washers on. Get your wrench, tighten this up. Use the correct side. It's the biggest side. Socket or ratchet wrench would be a lot easier, but this will get the job done. It comes with the rack, and you can leave it in your car. You don't have to buy something special to leave in your car. Or maybe even a drill or an impact and a extension and socket would be the key right here. But I wanted to show you, you can do it with what they have in the box. Once you get that tight, you just pop the lock on until it snaps. Snap. It's locked. Not coming off. And there it is. First we got this heavy beast. This is my Hooki dual battery Cheetah. I only got one battery in it right now just to load it up. This thing weighs about 75 pounds. I don't remember exactly. So I like to load this first and then I load her bike second.